Hey, welcome back to Sarah Girl Soaps. My name is Sarah and I own Sarah Girl Soaps located in Minneapolis, Minnesota. I hope everybody had a fantastic Thanksgiving or you're even still enjoying it, and I wish everybody safe travels one way or the other. Today's video, I'm going to share my custom order that I did for a local financial advisory company, and it's all their client gift boxes. So it was 130, and we worked together to come up with like what she wanted for scents and the color scheme and how we were going to box it and all that good stuff. So what we came up with is what you're going to see, and it does start off in the South Minneapolis location, and then we do transfer over into this location. So yes, I had to transfer 500 and some odd soaps over here in order to finish it, but it was a great project. I feel very blessed that she trusted me to do such a big project for her and her clients. So enjoy today's video. So I have a custom order that I'm doing. So I had to get more sea minerals. I also have to order more, I think, Himalayan sea salts. What else did I get? Oh, cranberry citrus peel, because I do a lot of that. I normally order from a different shop, but I tried this one off at Etsy. Super cute. I kind of was like, I would like to have a little handle, and I thought that was super cute. So it's the stamp of the logo for the company that I'm doing the custom Christmas gift order for. So got that in. So we got most everything. I ran out of a little bit of crinkle paper, so and I think I have like 11 more that I didn't have enough peanuts for. So we're gonna get these ones all done, soaked up, and folded and stickered up. It'll still be a huge accomplishment for the day. So we're on the home stretch, and then tomorrow I should only have like 20 more that I need to finish up. And most of all the time-consuming, tedious part of doing them is already done. I literally just have to like fold out the box and put the tissue paper in and we're good to go. So with that, here we go. I think I'm gonna pull this guy around with me and just stock the boxes. That might be the easiest thing that I can probably do with that. But putting the soaps in is not what takes forever. That's yummy. So yeah, I'm gonna pop something on YouTube, watch that, fold the tissue paper, then fold boxes, and then stuff boxes, and yeah. So 30 boxes I think takes me about an hour and a half. Yeah, but I have a stool and I can sit because my back is starting to hurt. Like, the floor is concrete, and I haven't I don't have a mat, and I'm probably not wearing the best shoes today. I did quite a few bath bombs. I think it took me a couple hours. So my lower back is starting to kind of tinge a little bit, but I'm gonna sit and fold tissue paper, drink coffee, and watch YouTube.
The sun on my face, it's a brand new day, and it's telling me it'll all be okay. All the clouds and the rain, that's from yesterday. Yeah, I'm telling you, it'll all be okay.
Final round. I had to get more peanuts and shreds, but got the rest of this done. Ooh, I'm so excited. All right, so we have the 130 gift boxes. We're ready to go. So I'm gonna get those wheeled out to the car and loaded up.
It'll be okay. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day.
And then you put I'm just going to put this under here and have it kind of tucked so that way it'll maybe help with everything sliding around. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!